Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this simply be showing you how you can go ahead and add stickers on your Discord mobile. So to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go to your phone's browser, simply go ahead type in sticker, or you can go ahead type in Discord stickers, right? Simply go ahead search it up, then you will see this Discord stickers. Go ahead tap on it, and now this kind of interface will open up, right? Stickers.gg. so here you can see this. Once you get sticker that you want to like to add, what you gotta do is simply go ahead and long press on that, and then you will see this download, right? Go ahead tap on this download, and this will start downloading. Apparently this sticker will be saved there in your gallery. You can see the details. I'll tap on it and it's already downloaded, done. So I will go back, and the other thing that you can do is go ahead tap on this Tenor, tap on this Tenor GIF keyboard. So you can see, again, you can go ahead search it up if you want a GIF as well, and once you're done, simply go ahead long press on it again, as I showed you, tap on this download and it will start being downloaded as well. You can see details. Now both of the stickers are downloaded, right? So if I go back and open my Discord, you can simply go ahead and send them that sticker that you just downloaded. You can simply do it, tap on this message, right? Go ahead tap on this plus icon. As you can see, now it's available. If I tap on this sticker, that will be sent. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.